All right, guys, today we're going to be putting APE hangers, ones just like those, on this thing. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step to make your rig look better. All right, so this trike right here is what we're going to be putting APE hangers on. Now, I think this video is universal for APE hangers. Yeah, this is a mini bike front end, so I know for sure it'll work on mini bikes, but most of you guys watching are probably going to want to put APE hangers on a motorcycle or something. And I think you can apply the same concept to your motorcycle for putting APE hangers on. Now you can see how small these handlebars are that are on them, but I'm going to show you how to change those handlebars to 15-inch APE hangers. First step is to just take your grips off. Mine don't slide off nice, so I'm going to probably end up rolling them off. Kind of pull and it rolls itself off. Alrighty, so the left grip is off. Do the same process where I kind of roll it off. Alrighty, and that side worked even better than the left-hand side. Now, for the throttle, I'm going to need an 8mm socket for that. Next up, I have this tachometer here. Just zip tied to my handlebars. Everyone knows how to take zip ties off. Easy as that. Take the kill switch off. Two Phillips screws on the top and on the bottom. Don't need to take them all the way out, just enough to slide it off there. And finally, this phone holder that I have on my handlebars, that slides right off. And then you have everything on your handlebars taken off, and it's just these 4 10mm bolts, and you take the old handlebars right off. Easy as that. Especially for me, I didn't have very much stuff on mine. Motorcycles might be a little bit more complicated. Alrighty, old handlebars, just feeling it like that, versus the new handlebars. You can see how much taller they are, 15-inch rise. I actually got these handlebars from GoPowerSports.com. Now those are some APE hangers. Throw these 4 bolts in there. Alright, I didn't run them all the way tight because I don't quite know where I want these handlebars adjusted to yet. I'm going to sit on the seat and get a feel for them, see what I like the best, but I think it's going to be about right there. And that looks way, way cooler than it used to. Well guys, APE hangers look amazing, especially next to the cornfield here. That brings us to the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.